Hello everyone, my name is Trung Hiếu Hoàng from University of Science, Vietnam National University. And today I will introduce our work called Interactive Video Object Mask Annotation. This work is done by collaboration between the National Institute of Informatics from Japan, University of Dayton from the USA, University of Science, and John von Neumann Institute from Vietnam National University in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So we want to build an interactive video object mask annotations. A user can draw some simple scribbles around the objects inside the video they want to segment out. These scribbles will then be used to create the mask for each object. This mask is propagated across the videos so that we can get the mask for each frame in the videos. Then the result is given back to the user. The user can review and do some additional corrections if necessary. So in general, the segmentation result will be better after each integration. So our system consisting of two main components. The annotation interface is used to draw scribbles around the objects, to review the result and make corrections if necessary. This interface is connected to a remote server. When on videos, annotated results are stored. We also have the web visualizer so that a user can review the segmentation result. So for now, I will introduce the overview of our interactive annotation flow. With a given sequence of video frames, a user can stick to some specific frame and draw some scribble. These scribbles could be fit into the first module, called the Control Point-Based Scribble-to-Mask, or CPSM. This module can create an initial mask, and this one is fed to the second module, called Multi-Reference Guided Segmentation Module, or MRGS. This module can propagate the mask and create the mask for each frame in the videos. Of course, we can see that in some case, it is wrong segmented. This can be because of this frame may be significantly different from the initial frames. So we want to correct that by using the CPSM again. The user can correct by redrawing the scribbles. This scribble will be then used to fit to the second module again and create the new mask for some specific frames. So I will go into details about our control point-based Scribble-to-Mask, or CPSM. First is we have the scribbles, and we will go to the second things called control points extractors, where the scribbles is sampling into control points. Those control points could be then fit into the next module called control points to mask, where the initial mask for each object of interest is generated. Using that mask, we can have the final module called Self-Reference Refinement Memory-Based Model, or STM. As a result, it can have memory pool to remember the previous frame in the past, and using that to refine and create the mask of interest for each object. The second module called Control Point-Based Scribble-to-Mask can be described as follows. We have the initial mask from the previous step, and using that, we can have the single source guided segmentation. Basically, it will propagate the mask across all frames and getting the masking result for every frame in the videos. After that, we want to look and validate the result from those frames, and we can select a subset of them called the reliable extra sample selection. As you can see in the demonstrate above, there are 5 reference frames, and they are all well represented for the subject we want to segment out, because it can capture different directions of the same subject. Next, those reference frames could be fed into the memory pool, and using that, we can have the multi-reference mask propagation to increase the performance of the segmentation result on different frames, especially on the neighbor frames of our reliable frames.